Morning everyone. See, this is your new video from your grammar unit 6, the adverb kinds of adverbs. Okay, so here we are just going to learn about some adverbs. Okay, and in the previous video we have learned about the adjectives, kinds of adjective. Okay, and now we are going to learn about the adverb. Okay, so first of all, before we started, let's see what is the adverb and what kind of adverbs there are. Okay, so see the definition. Okay, if you have a grammar textbook, you can see in this, and if you don't, then please look at the screen and listen to me carefully, that an adverb is a word which adds to the meaning of a verb. Okay, adverb is a word which adds to the meaning of a verb and tell us how a thing is done, when it is done, or where it is done. Okay, so this is quite different from the adjective. In the adjective, we have learned that adjective is a word that is used to add something to the meaning. Adjective is the word that is used to add something in the noun or pronoun. Okay, so that we can make a sentence. Okay, here adverb is a word which adds to the meaning of a verb. ओके, वर्ब के अंदर मीनिंग ऐड करता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड द एडवर्ब एंड टेल अस दैट हाउ अ थिंग इज डन एंड व्हेन इट इज एंड वेयर इट इज, व्हेन द थिंग इज डन एंड वेयर द थिंग इज डन. ओके, कोई भी चीज़ है कहाँ हुई है, कब हुई है. ओके, दैट थिंग्स टेल अस एडवर्ब. ओके, नाउ सी द एग्जांपल्स so you can understand. The bird sang sweetly. Here the bird sang sweetly. Okay, so bird sang, so sang is a verb, but how the thing is done? Sweetly. The bird sang sweetly, it sang sweetly. So sang, it's a verb. So here adverb, here in the sang of a verb we have to add some word that we can make meaning. Okay, the bird sang sweetly, so sweetly is an adverb. Okay, the sun shines everywhere. The sun shines everywhere. So sun shines everywhere. So sun shines, but how you think is done, when it is and where it is done. So everywhere, sun shines everywhere. So everywhere is the adverb. Hari came yesterday. Hari came yesterday. So here Hari came is a verb, but when he is came yesterday. So adverb tell us that the thing when it is done or where it is done. Okay, so yesterday is an adverb. Okay, again that adverb tell us that how a thing is done, when it is done, or where it is done, and it is the word which add to the meaning of a verb. Okay, and these examples. Now see kinds of adverb. Okay, there are many kinds of adverb like the adjectives. We have learnt about the adjectives, kinds of adjective, like adjective of quantity, quality, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective. I hope all of you seen the videos of the adjective and doing the exercise as well. Okay, and your mind is clear about the adjectives. Now the adverb like kinds of adverb. So let's see first the examples. Study the adverb in the following sentence. Okay, she behaved foolishly. Now here she behave. Okay, behave foolishly. So foolishly is the adverb. Foolishly is an adverb because we are adding some word in the meaning. Okay, and how she is behave. Okay, because adverb tell us that how a thing is done. So she behaved, but how she behaved? Foolishly. So foolishly is an adverb. The old man walked slowly. Now here the old man walk is a verb. Okay, and the old man walked slowly. So here old man walk, but how is the walk? How is the old man walk? How a thing is done? Slowly a thing is done. The old man walk slowly. Okay, in the above sentence she behaved foolishly, then she behaved how a thing is done foolishly, and in the second sentence the old man walked slowly. So how the old man walked slowly, so how a thing is done slowly. Okay, she ran fast. So here she ran fast, she ran, but how a thing is done? Fast. The thing is done fast. She ran fast. Okay. The boy rowed well. The boys rowed well. Okay. The boy rowed, but how the thing is done? Well, very well. The thing is done well or not well. Okay. And maybe some other words we can use, but here how a thing is, the boy rowed well. So well is an adverb, because how a thing is done, adverb tell us. Okay. The soldiers fought bravely. Here the soldiers fought is a verb, but how the soldiers fought? How a thing is done? Bravely, foolishly. How a thing is done? Bravely. So bravely is an adverb because it tell us how a thing is done. Okay. Sita write neatly. Now Sita writes is a verb. It's action of Sita. Sita writes neatly. So neatly she is writing. Okay, her writing is very neatly. So how a thing is done? She writes. This is the her verb. She writes that Sita is writes. This is the verb. But how a verb is done? How a thing is done? Neatly, very neatly. Okay. So see, an adverbs: foolishly, slowly, fast, well, bravely, neatly, show how an action is done. Okay, these all are action, because foolishly, behave karna foolishly, this is the kind of action. Slowly walk kar rahe, so this is the action. Okay. Fast, this is also action, our physical action. Okay. Rowed well. Okay. Rowed karna action hai. Fought action. Okay. Run action, walk action. Okay. So here adverbs: foolishly, slowly, fast, well, bravely, show an action is done. Show how an action is done. Okay. These words are show that how action is done. She behaved. So this is the action, but how she behaved? Foolishly. The man walked. The walk is an action. So how's the man walk? Slowly or fast? Slowly. Okay. She ran. So ran is action. Running karna action. So how's she ran? Fast. The boys rowed. Rowed is the action. Well they rowed. Soldier fought. So fought is the action. Fighting karna is the action. They fought bravely. Okay. Sita rides. So rides is an action. But how action is done? Neatly. Okay. How action is done? Neatly. Okay. One more example, that he is dancing well. Okay. Dancing is the action. Okay. But how the dancing is done? Well. Okay. So the things that show how an action is done. How an action is done. Okay. Such adverbs are called adverb of manner. Such adverbs are called adverb of manner. Okay. See, she reading very silently. She reading very silently. So reading is a verb, but how she reading? Very silently. So this is the adverb of manner, because this is show how an action is done. This is show us how an action is done, like foolishly, slowly, fast, well, bravely, neatly. These all are show that how an action, whatever the action is this, but how is done. Okay. The word which show how an action is done, such adverbs are called adverb of manner. Adverb of manner answer the questions how. Adverb of manner answer the questions how. Okay. Understood? Adverb of manner. Once again, these words: foolishly, slowly, fast, well, bravely, neatly. This tell us that how an action is done. How an action is done. So this is adverb of manner. The adverb of manner, one of the kind of adverb. The adverb of manner, one a kind of adverb. Okay. Now again revise. An adverb is a word which add to the meaning of a verb. Okay. Adverb is a kind of word which add to the meaning of a verb and tell us how a thing is done, when it is and where it is. Okay. We have seen the first kind of adverb, adverb of manner. Okay. Adverb of manner show how an action is done. How an action is done. It's foolishly, it's smartly, it's slowly, it's fast, it's well, it's bravely, it's neatly. Okay. These kind of words show that how an action is done. Okay. So this is called adverbs of manner. Okay. If you are if you are speaking, but how you are speaking? Very nicely, very softly. Okay, so speaking is your action, but how is done? How an action is done? Very softly. You are speaking very softly, very nicely. Okay, so this kind of adverb is adverb of manner. Okay, I hope you understand. Now you can understand better when we are going to see the exercise which is based on the adverb of manner. Okay, so our exercise number 1 is based on adverb of manner. Let's see. Now see here, exercise number 1. Now listen to me and look at your screen. Here are some adverb of manner. Use each one to complete one of the sentence below. Okay, here some adverb of manner are given, like quickly, greedily, merrily, loudly, or brightly. Okay, this all are adverb of manner because they tell us that how a thing is done, how action is done. Okay, and we have to use each one to complete the sentence which is given below. These 5 sentences we have to complete with them. Okay, now let's see the first one. The hungry beggar ate the food greedily. Now see, please focus, please see properly that the hungry beggar, we are talking about the hungry beggar, means the beggar is hungry, ate the food greedily. Greedily means बहुत ही greedily means बहुत ही लालसा से, this kind of. Okay, बहुत greedily, फटाफट तरीके से. Okay, so the hungry beggar ate the food. So here the beggar, but beggar's action, what's the action of beggar? Ate, eating, खा रहा है वो. So this is action of beggar. Okay, ate, the hungry beggar ate the food, but how an action is done? Greedily, very greedily he is eating. Okay, how an action is done? Very greedily. So the hungry beggar ate the food greedily. Okay, वो merrily तो खाएगा नहीं. Quickly, maybe quickly be one of the, but here greedily is the appropriate word for this. And loudly and brightly doesn't matter for this, for example 1. Okay, so greedily, the hungry beggar ate the food greedily. Okay, action क्या है? Please focus on the action, and we have to see the action first, then we have to decide it what is the adverb is this. Okay, this is the adverb of manner, greedily, because this is show how a beggar eat, how he has eat. Okay, कैसे खा रहा है वो दिखा रहा है, greedily. Okay, so this is the adverb of manner. Now the next, I had to shout loudly to attract her attention. Here see, I had to shout loudly to attract her attention. So here what is the action? First see that what is the action? Shout करना. Shout means चिल्लाना. Shout means चिल्लाना. Okay, so shouting is an action. Shouting is an action because it's just done by the human. Okay, shouting is an action. I had to shout loudly, but how the shout? How action is done? Softly, merrily, greedily, quickly, brightly. So shout softly तो है नहीं, shout और shout है तो loudly होगा, because shout तो loudly होता है. Okay, so loudly, how action is the shout, but how action is done? How an action is done? Loudly. So loudly is adverb of manner. Okay, to attract her attention, I had to shout loudly. So here loudly is adverb of manner. Hope you understood. Okay, now see, Tony climbed the trees as quickly as a monkey. Tony climbed the trees. Now see, you have to just to see first action, that what is an action is done in this sentence. Climb मतलब चढ़ा ट्री पे. Okay, climb करना is an action, but how action is done? Quickly, greedily. This is quickly is the appropriate word for this. Okay, ट्री पे, एंड एज अ मंकी कंपेयर भी किया है ना, एज अ मंकी. सो मंकी तो क्विकली चढ़ते हैं ना ट्री पे. सो क्विकली, टोनी क्लाइंब द ट्रीज एज क्विकली एज अ मंकी. सी अगेन दैट climb is action, and you have to see the action first. Okay, climb is an action, and how action is done? Quickly. How an action is done? Quickly. So quickly is adverb of manner. Quickly is adverb of manner. Now see the next. There were no clouds and the sun shone brightly. Okay, there were no clouds and the sun shone brightly. Here we have to see action. Sun's action is shown, shine करना. सन का एक्शन होता है शाइन करना. द सन शोन ब्राइटली. दिस इज द ब्राइटली, दिस इज द अप्रोप्रिएट वर्ड फॉर द सन बिकॉज सन शोन ब्राइटली. ओके, क्लाउड्स नहीं हैं, देर वर नो क्लाउड्स एंड द सन शोन ब्राइटली. So shown is an action, and how an action is done? Very brightly. So brightly is adverb of manner. Understood? Now see the last one. All the day the children played merrily in the park. All the day the children played merrily in the park. Now here action is played, which is done by the children. Okay, action is played, but how an action is done? Merrily. बहुत ही अच्छे से वो लोग खेल रहे हैं पार्क में all the day. So played is an action, but how an action is done? Merrily. Merrily is adverb of manner. Okay, adverb of manner which is tell us that how an action is done, and this whole exercise is based on the adverb of manner. Okay, I hope you understood that adverb of manner tell us, show us that how an action is done. Here all action is done. We have written then how an action is done. Okay, we have to write appropriate word for each sentence. Okay, so I hope you understood about the adverb of manner. Now let's see other kinds of adverbs. Okay, now here see, study the adverb in this sentence. Okay, now see the next. The boys are waiting outside. Okay, the boys are waiting outside. Okay, please focus on this word which is in blue color, which is in blue font. Okay, the boys are waiting outside. So outside. Okay, we looked for her everywhere. We look for her everywhere. So everywhere. Okay, he lives here. He lives here. Sorry, he lives here. The bus stops there. The bus stops there. My brother has gone out. Out. The boys ran forward. Forward. Okay, so what is the meaning of these this sentences which this word which is in blue color? See, the adverbs outside, everywhere, here, there, out, forward show where an action is done. Now before it we've seen that how an action is done. How an action is done. Now here see again. First, when we started this video, I told you that about the adverb. Adverb tell us how a thing is done. Okay, so we have seen that how a thing is done, how an action is done. Now when it is done and where it is. When it is done and where it is. So this is for when it is done. Where? Show where an action is done. Where it is done. So show outside. The boy is waiting. But कहाँ wait कर रहे हैं वो लोग? Outside. So where जो भी वो action कर रहे हैं वो कहाँ done हो रहा है? Okay? Whatever their action, where an action is done. Okay? Their action, where the action is done. Okay? So like outside, everywhere, here, there, out, forward. These words show where an action is done. Such adverbs are called adverb of place. Okay, this is also kind of adverb. Before adverb of manner, now adverb of place. Adverb of place answer the question where. Okay, and adverb of manner answer the questions how. Now here where are you sleeping? But where? Sleeping is an action, but where are you sleeping? In your room. Okay, so this is the adverb of place. कहाँ पे action done कर रहे हो? Okay, are you eating? Eating is an action, but where are you eating? Where are you eating? Dining room. Okay, so dining room is adverb of place. Got it? Like the boys are waiting, but where the boys are waiting? Outside. So outside is the adverb of place. Okay, we look for her everywhere. We look for her, but where we look for her? Everywhere. So everywhere is the adverb of place. He lives here. He lives. Where he lives? Here. Here he lives. So here is adverb of place. The bus stops. The bus stops, but where the bus stops? There. There the bus stop. Okay. So there is adverb of place. My brother has gone out. My brother has gone. But where my brother has gone out? Out. But when my brother is gone? Out. So out is an adverb of place. The boys ran forward. The boys ran forward. How? Where the boys ran? Where? Forward. Forward is an adverb of place. I hope you understood. Okay. Again, adverb of place show us that how, where an action is done. Where? Please focus on this. Where an action is done. Right now you are seeing this video, but where you are seeing? In your room, in your hall, in your balcony maybe. Okay. So whatever the place it is. Okay. And आपका एक्शन जहाँ पे भी डन हो रहा है, दिस इज द कॉल एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. ओके. एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस आंसर द क्वेश्चंस वेयर. ओके. नाउ सी again, now see the next. Study the adverb in this sentence. Now this, look at the sentence. He will come today. He will come today. Today. Please, again I told you that focus on that word which is in blue color. She wrote to me yesterday. She wrote to me yesterday. Okay. The school will open tomorrow. The school will open tomorrow. He came daily. He came here daily. He came here daily. So came is action. Okay. She left early. She will come presently. The doctor is coming immediately. Now see. Here, today, yesterday. Okay. This please look at that. What is the action of in the first sentence? He will come today. So come is an action. But here, today. So today, yesterday, tomorrow, daily, early, presently, immediately show when an action is done. Now again, okay, in the starting, in the beginning of this video, I told you about the adverb. That adverb tell us how a thing is done. We have seen about how an action is done. This is called adverb of manner. We have done this. Okay, where it is done. Just we have seen that where it is done. Okay. So this is called adverb of place. Now when it is done. When, कब हुआ था. Where it is done मतलब कहाँ हुआ था. When मतलब कब ये action हुआ था. Okay. So when it is done, show this kind of tomorrow, today, yesterday, early, daily, presently, immediately. These words show when an action is done. Such adverbs are called adverb of time. Such adverbs are called adverb of time. Okay, and adverb of time answer the question when. Okay, like he will come. But when we will come? When? Today. So today is adverb of time. Time दे रहा है ना कोई वो. It is gave us time. The particular time. Like today, yesterday, daily, whatever. Okay, he will come today. When he will come? Today. So today is adverb of time. She wrote to me yesterday. When she wrote to you? When she wrote to you? Yesterday. So yesterday is adverb of time. The school will open tomorrow. The school will open tomorrow. When will the school will be open? When the school will be open? Okay, so here the time is given tomorrow. Tomorrow the school will be open. So adverb of time is tomorrow. Because it show कि school कब open हो रही है. Okay, open होना वो school का action है. He came here daily. So came is an action. But when it is done, daily. He came daily. When he came daily. So daily is adverb of time. The doctor is coming. She left early. So left is an action. But when it is done, early. She left early. She left late. Whatever it is. Okay. So she left early. Early is adverb of time. Okay. She will come presently. She will come presently. So here come is an action. But when it is done, when she will come? Presently. So presently is action, adverb of time. The doctor is coming immediately. The doctor is coming immediately. Now it's here coming is an action, but when doctor is coming? When the doctor is coming, immediately. So immediately show when an action is done. So this is called adverb of time. Okay, I hope you understand. My father will come Monday. So father आ रहे हैं, come is the action, but when? Monday. So Monday is adverb of time. Time दिया हो particular, this is called the adverb of time. Okay, understood about the where, which show where the action is done, where an action is done, and about the manner, how an action is done. This is called adverb of manner. How an action is done, how, कैसे कर रहा है वो, so adverb of manner. But where it is done, this is called adverb of place. And when it is done, adverb of time. Okay, time दिया हो तो that is adverb of time. Okay, see here, study the adverb in these sentences. Now let's move ahead. Twice the boy struck him. Twice. You are always late. Okay, we often went to the cinema. He seldom came here. She visited us once. Okay, so here twice, always, often, seldom, once show how often an action is done. How often मतलब कितनी बार उसने वो action किया. Twice the boy struck him. Okay, so how often he struck him? Twice. Okay, twice. You are always late. How often you are late? Always. We often went to the cinema. How often you went to the cinema? Often. He seldom came here. How often he came here? Seldom. Okay. She visited us once. How often she visited? Once. So twice, always, often, seldom, once show us that how often an action is done. How often, कितनी बारी action हुआ. So such adverb are called adverb of number. Adverb of number because it show us that how often it is done. Twice or seldom or often या always. So adverb of number answer the questions how often. Okay, how often you are reading in the book, how often you are going to read in the book in a day. Okay, how often you visit the temple. Okay, so how often, this kind of questions, so you can answer that twice a day I visit the temple. Okay, so this is show adverb of number. This is the adverb of number. Okay, now see the next. Study the adverbs in these sentences. He was very tired. Very. He was quite worn out. Quite. He was nearly exhausted. Nearly. He is entirely deaf. He was so what pleased. Okay, see here each of the adverbs very, quite, neatly, nearly, entirely, somewhat in the above sentence show how much or to what extent a thing is done. Okay, this is so that how much or to what extent a thing is done. These adverbs which show how much or to what extent a thing is done are called adverb of degree. Like ये बताते हैं कि how much a thing is done. Like he was very tired. He was tired, but how much he was tired? Very tired. Okay, he was nearly exhausted. So nearly exhausted कितना extend किया है? Nearly. Okay, मतलब वो थक गया है बहुत, बस थकने ही वाला है. Okay, so this kind of words show us that how much or to what extent a thing is done. Okay, कितनी जो भी एक्शन है वो कितना हो रहा है, how much और कितना extent हुआ है वो. He is entirely deaf. Okay, so he is deaf but he is entirely deaf. So this is show that what extent a thing is done. Okay, this is called adverb of degree. Adverb of degree answered the questions how much. Okay, he was very tired. How much he was tired? So very. He was quite worn out. How much he was worn out? Quite. Okay, he is entirely deaf. How much he is done? Entirely done. Okay, how much he is exhausted? Nearly. How much he was pleased? Somewhat. Okay, so this kind of word show us that how much or to what extent a thing is done. This is called adverb of degree. Okay, so first adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of number, and now adverb of degree. Okay, now see the next. He is quite strong. Her face is very beautiful. Your face is extremely red. He was almost angry. The glass was nearly full. Now see, in the above sentence, the verb adverb quite, very, extremely, almost, and nearly, which are used the adjectives strong, beautiful, red, angry, and full to add something to their meaning, are also called adverb of degree. Now here see the word quite. Okay, this is add something in the adverb, adverb strong, adjective is a strong. Okay, so he is strong, but here we have to add adverb. He is quite strong. Okay, strong is an adjective, but quite is an adverb, because this is show that how much he is strong, like the above. This is also called adverb of degree, because it is show how much he is strong. So quite, he is quite strong. Okay, her face is very beautiful. So beautiful is adjective, but very beautiful, very is an adverb. Okay, because it is show that how much she is beautiful, very beautiful. Okay, understood? Now see, read these sentences. When did he come? Where did he go? How are you today? Why are you late? Okay, so in the above sentences, the words when, where, how, why are used for asking question. Okay, we have such a things we have seen in the adjectives as well. Okay, that when, where, how, why, they are used for the asking questions. Adverb which are used to ask questions are called interrogative adverbs, like the adjectives. Okay, in the adjective we have done same, that the which is used for asking question, these are called interrogative adjective. Now here the same, how, when, where, why. Okay, when did he come? So when did he come? So this is the question, so this is called the interrogative adjective. Okay, so the words which we use for asking questions, these are called interrogative adverbs, like when, where, why, how, why. Okay, about the adverb of degree, adverb of number, interrogative adverb. I hope you all understood. And now I know that when we are going to move on exercise, which is based on this kinds of adverb, you get better understand. Okay, so but in this video we are just learned about these kinds of adverb. Okay, we have done till interrogative adverb, and again kinds of adverb like adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of number, adverb of degree, and interrogative adverb. Okay, these all are kinds of adverb. Now we have to move on our exercise number 2, one we have done in this chapter, but now as we have a time limit, so I will make the next video which is based on the exercise. Okay, so see you in the next video. Till that, please revise these all things. Okay.